Hello friends, welcome to Computer Byte. In today's video we will talk about a new series which is about Autocad. We will cover the basics about Autocad, what is Autocad and how does it work. But before moving on, we should subscribe this channel, click the notification bell, like, comment and share so that we can get further notifications of the upcoming videos. So let's start about Autocad. Autocad is a software which is developed by Autodesk. Basically it was started in 1982 and it was called R1, then R2, R3 and so on. In 2000 it was renamed as Autocad, and then its further versions were used. What is Autocad used for? It is used for making plans related to engineering fields and all other fields. In this software we can develop plans about civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, etc. So why the name Autocad? Auto-CAD. Here auto means automatic, or the name the auto relates to the name of the company Autodesk. C is for computer, A is for aided or assisted, and D for designing, drawing or drafting. So we can say that Autocad is a software which can automatically design our plans with the help of computer. Let's know more about Autocad. In Autocad there are two systems used. One is called dimensional system. In dimensional system we have two things. The one is 2D and the one is 3D. It is commonly used in Autocad. 2D means 2 dimensions, where 3D means 3 dimensions. In 2D we get 2 dimensions at one point, and in 3D we get 3 dimensions at one point. In 2D we call it length and width. In 3D there are 3 dimensions which includes height as well. 2D plans or drawings are called plane geometrical drawings, where 3D plans are called solid geometrical figures. The other system is coordinate system. It is commonly used for designing roads, while dimensional system is mostly used for making buildings in civil field. In coordinate system we have X, Y and Z. XY represents the angle and the distance, which is a coordinate, and it is also known as easting and northing, while the Z is the level, the elevation, commonly known as OGL, NSL, FRL, FFL, etc. So the interface or the user interface of the Autocad is the same as this one. Here we have layer status window, menu bar, the cursor, toolbars, layout buttons, UCS icon, command prompt line, status line. In command prompt line we enter the commands which we desire to apply. In the upcoming videos of Autocad learning series, we will discuss about the commands used in Autocad. So In this video I'm going to show you how we will learn commands. First, we will have to know about the name of the command, then the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut, and then the symbol. For example, our first command is line and its keyboard shortcut is L enter, and the symbol is given at the right cell of the table. That's all for today. Make sure to like the video if you really like the video, and share the channel with your friends who are interested in learning AutoCAD and Office as well. Thank you.